Welcome to my podcast, 100% English. In this podcast, we are talking about life. My name is Leo, as you know, and today I have a special guest.
Hello, my friends. My name is Leo, and welcome to 100% English Podcast, the place where English becomes easy, friendly, and fun, even when you start from zero. Today, we are going to learn something very important. A small thing, but super powerful in English. We are talking about pronouns. Yeah, those tiny words that help you speak faster, easier, and sound like you know what you're doing. My friends, pronouns are little words we use so we don't repeat names all the time. For example, if I say Mary is happy, Mary is eating, Mary is dancing. Oh, too much Mary, right? So we use pronouns to make it simple. She is happy. She is eating. She is dancing. Nice, easy, beautiful. Here are the basic pronouns, guys. Listen. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These 7 little words that help you speak 70% of basic English. Yes, 7 words can open the door for everything. Let's use them in real life. Listen slowly. I am Leo. You are amazing. He is my friend. She is happy. It is a pen. We are students. They are here. See? Easy. You can speak English already. My friends, repetition is like keys. When you do that, suddenly doors open. You start understanding sentences. You start creating your own sentences. You start feeling, hey, I can do this. And you can. Every day, one little step, one little word. So, thank you for listening to 100% English Podcast, guys. You did great today. This is Leo, out.
Practice your English. Take small steps. And remember, you can do it.